Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to unhide folders in Windows 10 so you can easily access files that are hidden on your computer. Method 1. Step 1. Open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar or pressing Windows plus E on your keyboard, because File Explorer is where all your files and folders are managed in Windows 10. Step 2. Click on the View tab at the top of File Explorer, which controls how files and folders are displayed and lets you change visibility settings. Step 3. Check the box next to Hidden Items, and this will instantly make all hidden folders visible so you can see and use them normally. Method 2. Step 1. Open File Explorer to access the drive or location where your hidden folder is stored. Step 2. Locate the hidden folder, which may appear slightly transparent compared to normal folders once hidden items are visible. Step 3. Right-click on the folder to open a context menu that contains different folder-related options. Step 4. Click on Properties to open the folder's settings, where attributes like hidden or read-only are controlled. Step 5. Uncheck the hidden option to remove the hidden attribute from that folder. Step 6. Click on Apply to save the change and make the folder visible permanently. Step 7. Click on OK to close the Properties window and confirm the new settings. Bonus: if you want hidden folders to stay visible all the time, keep the Hidden Items option enabled in the View tab so you don't have to repeat the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.